welcome to The Beauty Shaman. So we are in my bathroom, which means it's a tiny bit echoey, and you might hear a dog barking somewhere off there. Nothing I can do about the dog. Anyway, today we are going to talk about Foreo handheld UFO devices. They're called UFO because they kind of resemble a little unidentified flying object. All right, many people love and adore the Foreo handheld UFO devices. They are very easy to use, they're efficacious, and they make an excellent holiday gift, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to tell you about it and give you some information and give you a discount. All right, so Foreo sent me two UFO devices. The UFO 2, which is this one. It's the pearl pink, beautiful color. And the UFO Mini, which looks like this. Plus, I'm extending a 20% off to all of you. Please see down below for details about that, including the code and the link. All right, but in this video, I'm going to highlight the differences between the two products, how to use them, and my experience with them in comparison to my other at-home and in-office devices. I love devices, as you know. If you watch my channel, you know I've got quite a few. So sampling these has been really fun and really educational. And so I'm excited to share with you what I've learned and to give you some great input on it, as well as, like I said, the discount. All right, let's get going. Okay, so the UFO devices are at-home LED massage and face mask devices. So this type of functionality benefits skin rejuvenation, collagen production, depuffing, which I'm always excited about because of my eyes, firming, it helps to shrink pores, it helps to get skincare from the masks, which we're going to go into here, deep into your pores. So the combination of the mask and the LED massage helps to increase moisture retention by about 126%. So if you have dry skin, this can be a really good way to add moisture to your skin. I think many of us struggle with dry skin, so it's something to consider. All right, so each one of these UFO devices have different strengths, so stay tuned to the end of the video to learn about what each one does, including the cost, as well as to meet your particular skincare needs or whoever you're shopping for. All right, so both need to be connected to a phone app to operate. So if you don't have or you don't like that type of functionality, these are definitely not for you. They won't work without having a phone. I do find the app very, very user-friendly. I think previously you had to scan certain things in order to use it, like the mask, you had to scan the box. That's no longer the case. They're very, very easy to use with loads of valuable information. Plus you can adjust the settings of each of these, including the temperature with the UFO 2 and the massage strength of both. Both are sustainable, cruelty-free, and vegan. Both have a very long battery life and are hygienic and waterproof. They work by connecting them with the app and inserting a Foreo mask in the circular area and then clicking it into place. If you turn it on, and in the app, you can adjust the LED light, the massage strength, and in the UFO 2, you can set the thermo or cyro temperature control. So that's adding heat or cold. And it has the added benefit of helping to shrink pores and, in the long run, to minimize wrinkles. So you do need to use them consistently to see this kind of benefit, but they do, over the long haul, over continued use, have great benefits. They have a 2-year warranty, and the masks are not expensive and come with a good quantity of serum in each packet. In fact, I really like to use it and then get in there and dig with my fingers out of the packet, all the serum and goodiness, and put it all over my face. It's lovely. All right, so Foreo sent me different types of masks, including green tea, acai berry, I think that's how you say that, acai, I always forget how you say that, manuka honey, and Bulgarian rose. Each box has 6 masks with 1 mask per use, okay? You can use the devices daily, weekly, or however much you want. That's the benefit of having devices. All right, so here's an example of how it works. I put the mask in here. It's kind of gooey, as you can see. And then you click it into place and you turn it on up the top here. And you can see the lights all come on. On the app, you can hear it going. On the app, you can adjust the color tone. So you can do red, you can do green, you can do blue, whatever color that you want. And each color does different things on the LED. Then you take it and with a circular motion, you massage this into your face. I got a little makeup on, so I'm not going to touch my face here, but I did this earlier today. Now, because the LED is in a circle here, it's not flat all the way across. So that means you really have to use it all over your face in a circular motion in order to get that LED to get all of your skin. If you just kind of go like that, you're not going to get the usage out of it. So with an LED light, you do need to get it really tight to the skin, and you need to get it there for, I would say you can use this for 90 seconds, for 2 minutes. The longer you use the LED, the more effect it's going to have. So that's why they want you to really work this into the skin to really get the LED light to get the product into the skin. All right, so what do they cost? Okay, the UFO 2, the pink one, although it does come, I think, in 3 or 4 different colors, and you don't have to get the pearl pink if you don't want to. But this retails for $224.25. Okay, the reason that it costs so much is because it has the hot and cold temperature control included in it. So that speciality means that this is probably the priciest one that they have. But you can use your 20% off and you save almost $75, so that's fabulous. All right, the UFO Mini 2, this retails for $179, but with your discount, it goes for about $143.20. The masks are $9 per box, and you can shop the bundled version if you like. They do have lots of different bundled versions, so that's really helpful. So you can get, say a mini plus like 5 boxes of masks, which really helps. A little note on the hot and cold that this particular device can do. It's very unique to get a device that can do both hot and cold that you adjust on the app. And the benefit of this is that it really helps to shrink pores, and it can also help to stimulate the skin. Using heat and cold on the skin has been used for millions of years to really help benefit cell turnover as well as to stimulate the skin. It's very stimulating to take an ice cold bath. I don't know if you've done that, but I do periodically, and it's really lovely. And so that's what the benefit of this one in particular and why it costs a little more. All right, my experience with these devices is primarily positive. I love at-home devices and have a microderm machine, a large LED mask, peels, all sorts of things. I'm very into all of this. I'd say that most at-home devices aren't as powerful as going to an esthetician or a dermatologist in the office. Okay, I think we all kind of intrinsically know this. But you can use them as often as you like, and of course you save money in the long run because you're making an investment in a device that you can use continually. So that's the benefit. Yes, it's upfront money, but then you can use it year over year. These tend to last a really long time. Like I said, there's a 2-year warranty, so that's fabulous. So it does tend to be an investment. That's how I look at my devices. All right, this year with inflation and supply chain issues, for many of us, we're looking for valuable items to invest in and save us money. And I'd say the Foreo home devices are worthwhile to look into as a one-time investment and still get the benefits of LED treatment, massage, and cyro and thermal therapy. So I hope you found this helpful. Please let me know if you have questions and see below for links and discount codes. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.